Welcome everyone, and in this video we'll show you how to create a new document in Affinity Designer. So here I opened the Affinity Designer, and as you can see I have a blank, we can see the workspace. Go to File, and you'll find New, which is Control N, and on the Mac Command N. And Affinity already prepared for us some presets that we can use. If it's web, I find different sizes, including social media, story, and square post. If I go to print, we'll find A4, A2, and something that Affinity added, also press ready. So if I'll click A5, you can see that it's already set to CMYK with bleed and 300 dpi, which means that it's ready for print. Let's pick A4. We already have the dimensions automatically from Affinity, dpi, and you can work with millimeters, centimeters, or inches. Set the orientation, landscape or portrait. And if it's for print, we don't have to touch the color format and color profile, but you can find different color format like RGB, CMYK, gray. Skip it, CMYK. You can include margins if you like, and set the margin for your document. Set 25. And the bleed here is 3 millimeter. Depends what we print our document. Usually it will be 2 millimeter or 3 millimeter. Finally, we can click Create, and we can see our documents with the bleed and the margins. Now you can always click Document Setup and change the size, DPI, portrait, color mode, margins. So I don't want to include the margins now, and bleed, and also change the color of the bleed and margins. Click OK, and as you can see, the margins gone. Again, document setup, include margins. Now let's say we want 10 millimeter. This is linked by default, so I can click OK. Now we have 10 millimeter margin, and we can continue to work on our document. Now creating a preset. So sometimes you'll not find the sizes you want or you need for your project. So that means that you can create a preset, a size that you will work more often. Usually, they have a lot of presets here. You might find almost everything. But let's say we want to work on a business card, which is 90 by 50 millimeter, which is the default US business card. I can set all the sizes, make sure it's DPI, 300 DPI, CMYK, if I need margins, and then make sure you click on the plus, and you will see that it added it to my presets. You can right click, rename it, or delete the preset if you made any mistake, but we can rename it and type business card US format, for example. And that will make sure you have a presets, and if you don't find the sizes you need, you can always go to my presets and find your sizes. Great. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, you can click subscribe, like, and share with anyone you know interested with Affinity. For more videos, we'll upload every week: Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher.